Hi, today's video is about installing the aluminum flashing that goes on top of the trailer bed. The purpose of the flashing is to protect the underside of the subfloor that we're going to be constructing later. The subfloor has insulation in it, a foam insulation, and rodents and chickens and anything else you can think of really like to eat that stuff. So we'll want to put something on there to fill in these gaps to protect the insulation. Now the subfloor is also going to be hanging over the sides of the trailer. So we don't want to use this right now because it'll be a little bit flimsy hanging over the sides of the trailer. So later on we'll go back and we'll put a piece of plywood underneath here to protect that. Now this is wound pretty tightly, so when you unwind it or when you untape it, it's going to want to spring apart. So you want to be very careful. This stuff is very, very sharp. I'm going to be using gloves for this to protect my hands. And to attach it, I'm going to be using just a standard stapler. These are T50 is the size of the staples, and this isn't going to be very strong to hold it down, but this is really only temporary to hold it down. Once we put the subfloor on top of it and then screw up underneath the trailer and attach the subfloor, that'll be the true power that's going to hold this down. We're not going to really be relying on the staples at that point. And to cut this, I'll be using tin snips. These are very nice. You'll be using these later on when we do the metal roofing. So let's get to it.